to tell me, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, when you said that Senator Lacson is irresponsible and reckless, it means that he is acting like a little child, Mr. Speaker.
He may not be acting like a little child, but perhaps it could be more appropriate to say that he is thinking like a little child.
So, Mr. Speaker, it would be appropriate to say that Senator Lacson is a picture of immaturity and responsibility.
Kung sa pulong na Tagalog, he may not be picture of immaturity. But what I could say is that his picture of someone na na isip bata. Alam mo naman kung ano ang itsura ng taong isip bata, mature, magandang lalaki, magandang tignan, macho, pero ang isipan ay isip bata.